is the pursuit of accomplishing the impossible. Pesu Volador is the world's fastest power response mountain e-bike with the Titium engine power system, an integrated high-performance sensor system, high-resolution cycling computer, a premium quality fork with 150 millimeters of travel, and an ultra-short chainstay length design. The Titium power system is extremely powerful and responsive, outputting instant power with its 500 watt-hour high-performance lithium battery. Mountains await your conquest. The Volador's triple sensors detect speed, cadence, and torque in real time. Through the high-speed chip, the power response time is less than 10 milliseconds, making it the fastest and most accurate in the world. Don't settle for being slow and dull anymore. Volador unleashes the ultimate power with perfect controllability. It becomes part of your body. A high-resolution cycling computer displaying speed, distance, and battery. 4 modes of power output. With the shortest chainstay length frame design, it makes every turn easier than before. With the engine rated at IP54 for water and dust protection, there will be no worries about any weather condition. With 2 options, all mountain and cross-country, it will fit multiple needs. Pesu is the ultimate blend of power, energy, and speed. Let it fulfill your wildest cycling dreams.
The Gearhead mountain e-bike will change the way you ride, both off-road and on. The powerful 36-volt lithium-ion battery is controlled at the touch of a button and powers the motor in the rear wheel. That gives you a boost whenever you need it, making hills easy. With its comfort suspension saddle, RockShox front suspension, and wheels that perfectly balance speed and handling. The new Gearhead mountain e-bike lets you ride longer and further than you've ever ridden before, so you can see more of the world.